How to fix Snapchat AI, something went wrong. Hello everyone, in today's video we talk about how to fix this on your Snapchat. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, go and open the settings of your phone, and here you have to open apps option. Here on apps option, now you have to search for Snapchat. Open then Snapchat when you found it, and after this go directly to storage option. Now go to the last button, clear data, and click OK. And then you have to back and click on force stop and click OK. And now you have to go to your Play Store or App Store, update your Snapchat, and after this go and restart your phone. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.